Hey there. Feel like your robo-advisor portfolio isn't quite aligned with your current risk appetite? Changing your investment allocations in Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is possible, but within a specific framework. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to adjust it. Log into your Intelligent Portfolios account and go to the Portfolio tab. Click on Change Risk Profile. You'll retake the short questionnaire. Based on your new answers, the robo-advisor will propose a new target allocation. If you accept, it will automatically execute trades to rebalance your portfolio to the new targets. You cannot manually pick individual ETFs or set custom percentages. You can only choose from the predefined risk profiles. My crucial pro tip? Consider the tax impact before changing. If you adjust the risk profile in a taxable account, the rebalancing will involve selling assets, which could trigger capital gains taxes. It's often best to make these changes in a tax-advantaged account like an IRA, or simply direct new contributions to align with your new goals. That's how you keep your automated portfolio in sync with your evolving life. Has your risk tolerance changed recently due to market events or life goals? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on fine-tuning your investments, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.